Hello techies, we are in lab 8.1.11 and we are going to update firmware. Alright, so let's start up. You are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to increase the security on the switch by updating the switch firmware. In this lab, your task is to import the latest firmware file found in the following details and then change the switch active image to the version just imported. Complete the required steps to be able to start using the new update. Alright, so if you need to open or log back into the switch, we have provided the following details here. So I guess that is all we need to do. Remember, this is lab 8.1.11 and we'll start lab. Now, this video of mine might appear to be too fast for you all. I apologize for that. You can always pause the video so that you can match every move I make, every step I take in this video. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible for you all. Alright, so we are now in the lab and then the IP address is already open for us. So let's go into, let's see, so this is S300 firmware. Going to this PC and let's see, this S300 firmware. We are going to open this and let's see. Okay, it's gonna be let's see. Okay, so let's open this. And okay, no, okay, so we apply this and the data is processing. We just hold on for it. So after that we just click done. I guess, yeah, done. And let's see, we select, let's see, it's gonna be what, active image, and then select 1 to 7 and we apply and complete the required steps to be able to start using the new update. So we're going to reboot. If we do not reboot, the update will not start up immediately. So let's reboot. Okay, and we allow it to process. So put in our password and we're going to log in. So we're going to upgrade and active image here. Let's check answers. Now, if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll definitely see you in the next one.